This is the 2020 Chevy Spark LT, stock number 201210, powered by a 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. This fun-loving Chevy Spark hatchback, shown here in optional Caribbean blue metallic exterior, features remote keyless entry, power steering, air conditioning, an air filtration system, Stabilitrak Stability Control system with traction control, a rear spoiler, rear camera, rear split back folding rear seat, whew, that's a lot of rears, and with average EPA miles per gallon of 33, that's 30 city and 38 miles per gallon highway, you're sure to spend your hard-earned money on life's moments rather than at the pump. Come see the 2020 Chevrolet Spark at any one of our 3 East Hills Chevrolet locations in Freeport, Roslyn, or Douglaston. Thank you very much.